ape. A-N-T, ant. The sound of vowel A in the first word is A, whereas the sound of same vowel in the second word is A. So why is the sound of same letter different? And that is because all the vowels A, E, I, O and U have two sounds, short vowel sound and long vowel sound. Let us learn these long and short sounds of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Let us first begin with the short vowel sounds. Short A says A, as in apple, actor. Short E says as in bed, egg. Short I says I, as in infant, insect. Short O says aw, as in mom, otter. Short U says as in bug, umbrella. Now let us come to the long vowel sounds. The easiest way to remember the long vowel sounds is that they say their name. For example, long A says A, as in cake, crane. Long E says E, as in eagle, green. Long I says I, as in ice cream, tie. Long O says O, as in comb, goat. Long U says U, as in blue, puma. I hope you have understood both the long and short vowel sounds. Let us do an exercise to understand them further. Given are some words: fig, cold, cap, mice, bug, leap. Based on their sounds, arrange them under short vowels and long vowels. The first word is fig. Here the sound of vowel I is short, I. So it will come under short vowels. The next word is cold. Here the sound of vowel O is O. So it will come under long vowels. The next word is cap. Here the sound of vowel A is A. So it will come under short vowels. The next word is mice. Hear the sound of vowel I in this. I. That is the long vowel sound. So, it will come under long vowel. The next word is bug. The sound of vowel U in this is a. That is the short vowel sound. So, bug will come under short vowels. And the last word is leap. Here the sound of E is E, long vowel sound. So, it will come under long vowels. Let us do one more exercise to see whether you have understood it properly. Given are some words: cute, tiger, cat, pot and jet. All the long vowel sound words will stand under the tree and the short vowel sound words will sit on the log. Take your time, pause the video if you need to, and let us see whether you give the correct answer. The first word is cute. Here the sound of U is long. What is U saying? U. So that is the long vowel sound. So cute will stand under the tree. The next word is tiger. Did you listen to the sound of vowel I here? It says I. That means it's a long vowel sound. So again, tiger will stand under the tree. The next word is cat. What is the sound of vowel A here? A. That is the short vowel sound. So that means cat will sit on the log. The next word is pot. What is the sound of vowel O here? O. Again, it's the short vowel sound. So that means pot will sit on the log. The next word is jet. What is the sound of vowel E here? E. That means it is the short E sound. So jet gets to sit on the log. Were you able to do it correctly? If yes, clap for yourself and pat your back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning short and long vowel sounds with me as much as I enjoyed teaching them to you. See you again very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.